welcome back to the Smallville Farmer. Today's episode, it's a rain day. Go figure. But hey, all the wheat is in the ground, and there's really no farming left to be doing for 2025. So what better to do today than go get my friend? As I was saying before my GoPro died, it's a rain day. We're gonna go to the farm, pick up Grandpa. He's gonna drive us all the way up to McPherson so I can bring my brand new 650 bushel grain truck all the way back home, boys. Woo! I'm kind of a little bit nervous. It's got, what do you call, 4.2 transmission in it. I've never driven anything like that, but I think I can figure out. It's gonna be a learning curve from McPherson all the way back to the farm, but we'll get her figured out, boys. This doesn't look good up here. There's a lot of flashing lights, and there's a fire truck up here, a couple cops. Oh snap, there's a car out there in the field. So we might be detouring here a little bit. Let's see if we can't get the camera up here on some of this action. I bet somebody was going too fast and they hydroplaned. Their car is way out there in the ditch, or out there in that field. Wow. Hope everybody got out. See if you can see their car. It's right on the other side of the trooper, right over there. There's the car over there. Crazy. Wow. I hope everybody's okay. Got the old spare windshield wipers if we need them. Well, it's close enough there, Peter. All right, we're good to go. Go figure. Got to fill up with fuel. Then it's on to McPherson, boys. We almost made it. We had to stop for a pee break.
Man, I feel better.
You look better.
I can have some coffee again.
I gotta find it. It's somewhere around here. Last time it was back there, wasn't it? Yeah.
It was sitting in front of his trailer last time.
Yeah.
Standing in the shed.
It's in such good condition.
Thing hadn't got rained on in 40 years.
Exactly, and we're gonna drive it in the rain today. It's around here somewhere.
It's back in the shed.
That's not it. That's a Ford.
That's not it.
Somewhere around here, we'll find it. Found it.
That one's empty.
Hope the other one's full. Hope this thing goes good on the frickin' rain. There's the new grain truck. Once we get back to the farm, we'll check it out. This is a 1977 International Lodestar, or what? Yeah, Lodestar, something like that. Hauls 600 bushels comfortably, but the guy I bought it from said they got up to 670 bushels, and it just dumps it like a champ. Good old truck, boys. Gotta eat when you can. How you doing? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.
What you wanna call, why they call you dog?
The radio works. Do you feel better? Had to stop for another piss. Man, she drives like a dream.
That thing sounds nice. You can make her smoke when you shit good.
Oh, thank goodness we made it. There's the farm. That was a fun trip. From McPherson all the way back down to home. I got really good at driving this transmission right here. Let me tell you. Oh, not to mention I watched this good show all the way down here. Yes, sir. All right, we gotta check the truck over, see how it looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some little teeny tiny holes I'll have to patch on the tarp, but so what?
All that needs a coat of wax.
Exactly right. She'll be ready to go.
Oh, glare slide at the back.
Really?
That 3 in the middle.
Yeah. Pretty good looking old truck.
I don't know how you're going to get on the bed.
You might have to build a ladder.
You know, that's what that is.
That's what.
Good truck.
Yes, sir. That'll definitely haul some bushels. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.